Welcome to our class on the 180-degree rule, a fundamental principle in filmmaking. This rule helps maintain spatial orientation and continuity in your scenes, ensuring your audience can follow the action without confusion. The 180-degree rule states that two characters in a scene should maintain the same left-right relationship to one another. An imaginary line, called the axis, connects the characters, and the camera should stay on one side of this axis. Imagine a line connecting two characters talking. The camera can move anywhere on one side of this line but should not cross it to maintain spatial consistency. Following the 180-degree rule helps maintain spatial consistency and orientation for the viewer. Breaking the rule can cause disorientation and make it difficult for the audience to understand the scene's geography. To apply the 180-degree rule, first establish the line or axis that connects your subjects. This line determines the space within which your camera can move without breaking the rule. Next, choose one side of the line to place your camera. All camera angles should remain on this side to maintain consistency and keep the audience oriented. Let's practice applying the 180-degree rule. Imagine filming a conversation between two characters. Establish the line, set up camera angles on one side, and film the scene without crossing the line. While the 180-degree rule is important, there are times when you might intentionally break it for creative reasons. This can add disorientation or emphasize a dramatic moment, but always ensure the audience can still follow the action.